Let's create a new account record in the Pipeliner mobile app. First, go to the menu in the upper left-hand corner. Next, choose the Accounts menu. Accounts are names of companies that you've either already done business with or you're going to be doing business with. If you're not sure if the account record is already in Pipeliner, you can search for that account. Click on the little search magnifying glass in the upper right corner and type in the name of the company that you're looking for. Here I can clearly see that there is no company by the name of Kelly. I'm going to click on the plus sign in the lower right side to add the account record to Pipeliner. As I swipe down or swipe up, I'll be able to see all the information that I need to fill in. So first I'm going to fill in the name of the account record. This is the name of the company that I'm hoping to do business with. If I have a main phone number for that company, I can enter it here. Or any of the other fields that are available for you, you can go ahead and fill them in. And I can see here that I have a street address and a city and a country. And I can absolutely fill them in right here. If I wanted to type in the street address and the city and the country, then that would mean that that data would be available for me to search on. And if I wanted to go visit a particular city, I can see how many accounts I have in that city and maybe visit some of them. So this information could be very helpful and useful to you in the future. Anytime you have a little letter I in the right-hand side and you click on it, you'll be able to see some information about what that field represents, so you can better fill in the field appropriately. This has a drop-down list to it. Anytime you have a button that says Show All Fields and you click on it, you might see additional fields for you to be able to fill in. That's all there is to it. Click on Save, and now you have a new account record. Thank you for joining me.